Are you eager to venture into the dynamic world of e-commerce? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to navigate the exciting process of starting a dropshipping business from the ground up. Welcome to Wealth Wings, your ultimate guide to financial freedom. It's an exciting journey towards financial success, and we're thrilled to embark on it together with you. This guide is designed to be your comprehensive resource, whether you're a beginner or just brushing up on the basics. We'll cover everything from understanding the dropshipping model to launching your store, ensuring you have the knowledge and confidence to succeed. Understanding dropshipping, the basics. Dropshipping is a streamlined business model that lets you sell products without the need to stock inventory. It works like this. You list products in your online store, and when a customer makes a purchase, a third-party supplier ships the product directly to them. This model minimizes the risks and costs associated with traditional retail, such as stocking inventory and managing a warehouse. The key to success in dropshipping is understanding market trends, identifying the right products, and establishing a robust supplier network. Finding your niche, the first crucial step. Finding the right niche is the cornerstone of a successful dropshipping business. A niche represents a specialized market segment that caters to specific customer interests and needs. When choosing your niche, consider factors like market demand, competition, and your personal interests or expertise. Conduct market research to identify trends and gaps in the market. A niche that aligns with your passion will not only be more enjoyable to work with, but also help you create more authentic and engaging marketing content. Researching suppliers, building your foundation. Identifying and partnering with reliable suppliers is critical in dropshipping. Your suppliers are responsible for the quality of products and the timeliness of their delivery, which directly affects customer satisfaction. Begin by exploring platforms like AliExpress, Salehu, or Oberlo to find suppliers. Assess potential suppliers based on their product quality, fulfillment times, and customer service. Establishing a good relationship with your suppliers can lead to better terms and understanding as your business grows. Setting up your online store, your virtual presence. Creating an online store is where your business comes to life. Choose a platform like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce, which offers user-friendly interfaces and customizable templates. When setting up your store, focus on creating a strong brand identity through your website design, logo, and content. Ensure your website is easy to navigate, has clear product descriptions, and is optimized for mobile devices. Remember, your website is often the first interaction customers have with your brand, so make a lasting impression. Creating a business plan, your roadmap to success. A well-thought-out business plan is your blueprint for success. It should detail your business objectives, target audience, competition analysis, marketing and sales strategies, and financial projections. Your business plan will guide your decisions and strategies, helping you stay focused and on track. It's also essential if you're seeking investors or loans, as it demonstrates the viability and potential of your business. Understanding legalities, the essential formalities. Navigating the legal aspects of your business is crucial for long-term success. This includes registering your business name, obtaining the necessary licenses or permits, understanding e-commerce laws, and setting up the right tax structure. While these tasks can seem daunting, they are essential for operating legally and avoiding future legal issues. Consider consulting a legal expert to ensure you're fully compliant with all regulations. We value your engagement and feedback. If you find this guide beneficial, please share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. Your interaction helps us create content that best serves your needs. And if you haven't already, like this post and subscribe to Wealth Wings for more empowering content. Developing a marketing strategy, spreading the word, an effective marketing strategy is essential for attracting customers to your store. Utilize various digital marketing tactics such as search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, content marketing, email marketing, and pay-per-click advertising. Consider also the power of storytelling in your marketing efforts to build a brand that resonates with your audience. Keep track of your marketing performance and be ready to adjust your strategies based on what works best. Setting up payment and shipping, streamlining your operations. The efficiency of your payment and shipping processes is vital for customer satisfaction and trust. Choose payment gateways that are secure and widely accepted. clearly outline your shipping policies, including delivery times, costs, and return policies. Transparent and efficient payment and shipping processes help build customer confidence and encourage repeat business. Launching your store, making a grand entrance. Launching your store is a milestone. Plan a launch strategy that creates excitement and draws attention to your new business. This could include promotional offers, a launch event, partnerships with influencers, or a strong social media campaign. Your launch is an opportunity to make a strong first impression and build an initial customer base. Monitoring and optimizing. Continuous improvement post-launch. It's crucial to continually monitor your store's performance. Use analytics tools to track customer behavior, sales patterns, and website traffic. This data will help you understand your customers better and optimize your store for improved performance. Regularly update your product offerings, refine your marketing tactics, and improve your customer service to keep your business evolving. Your journey begins now. You now have a comprehensive roadmap to start your dropshipping business from scratch. Remember, success in business requires not just planning and strategy, but also perseverance and adaptability. Your journey to building a successful dropshipping business starts with a single step, and with commitment and hard work, you can achieve remarkable success. Thanks for watching. To continue your journey in e-commerce and business success, subscribe to WealthWings. Hit the notification bell to stay informed about our latest guides and tips. At WealthWings, we are committed to helping you achieve your dreams of financial independence. Stay tuned for more, and remember, the sky's the limit.